legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, so for step 5, I would recommend that you talk to a special person about your decision to become a trader. I think that's very important. That person doesn't necessarily have to be someone that is a trader, but I do believe that if they have some understanding of the stock market, that would be a much better person than no one. If you don't have anyone, feel free to contact me. I mean, I can't go into in-depth conversations, obviously, because I have tons of people in this particular setup. But without question, you can ask me questions. I mean, I think that's the whole point of this entire process. But anyway, talk to somebody about your decisions. That way you have a accountability partner. For me, my partner is my wife. She also dabbles in the stock market. So it's always great to be able to bounce ideas off of her and, in reverse. So I would say for the 5th step, please find someone that you can speak to about what you plan to do, and perhaps just listen to what they have to say and, reflect on what they said. And I think that's a good step right there. Yeah.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be